This is another pool. Oh, this one, does this one have a hot tub? I don't think this one has a hot tub. So we chose the apartment with the bug, but a different unit. Here's the apartment. It's got a little fireplace. Because that's kind of far walk. It has another door, or this is the only door?
No, this is the front door, and then there's a back door too.
Oh, okay.
Looks like you might be still working on this one also. But, so think a little bit different. Not, yeah, this is different.
And this one is cheaper, right? Oh, so this is the other door.
Yeah, so this is the back door.
Oh.
So very casita style.
Oh, okay. Well, they got a vacuum in the toilet. That was smarter than to put a closet in the den, right? To make it another bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so we are what you call snowbirds. So we are migrating to Scottsdale just for the winter. So we'll be back home in Wisconsin in the summertime. So this is just a place that we're staying at until like May or June. And then we'll go back to Wisconsin to home. We're just escaping the winter this year. So basically, we'll be starting from scratch. We'll be just buying everything new for the apartment for the winter time. So stay tuned for more. Okay.
What do you think of this one?
This one seems a little bigger, right?
Yeah.
And then here's the kitchen and a little pantry. And it comes with a microwave, which is nice. And then, oh, it don't come with a spray gun. I don't know what that is. Is that for soap? Or whatever. So that's this. So yeah. So we had mattresses delivered for all 3 bedrooms on the day that we picked up the keys. And so this is how we started. And stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing more. Peace out. Okay, so this is the pool, one of the pools here. So it's 3 feet and no lifeguard on duty, of course. And then here is like the little hot tub. So you get in the little hot tub. And this is the pool. So it's kind of nice to have a pool. And it's open year round. So today it's about, feels like, I would say 50 degrees. 55, maybe 59. So yeah, that's one of the pools.